In today's episode of The Customer Speaks, I will be talking about collecting data for your branding. Brand identity is very important for your business. It will help bring customers back to your business, and a strong brand identity will attract new customers. So, what is brand identity? Every business has one, whether you know it or not. Let me give you an example. Coca-Cola is a brand that has a strong identity. You know whether you like it or not, and you immediately recognize it. So for your target audience, you want to be known as a good brand, a place where your customers like doing business. They like the product or service that you sell. You need to understand your brand identity, its strength, and how to grow it. So how can you do this? You can do it through branding key process indicators. You need to identify your KPIs. You need to collect data on your KPIs, and you need to analyze it. So, in the rest of this discussion today, I will be talking about a few branding KPIs, or branding key process indicators. Let's look first at social media marketing. There are many social media KPIs that are useful to you for your business growth and attraction. Let's first look at Instagram KPIs for measuring brand. You can see here that a good KPI for measuring your brand on Instagram is the growth in followers. This particular business, over about an 8-day period, had about a growth of 100 followers. This is very good and indicates growth in brand strength. Another good indicator of brand strength on Instagram is comments. Comments give you more detail of what your followers like, or what the visitors to your Instagram site like. So you can use the comments to adjust your campaigns to appeal to the followers even more, or to visitors even more. You can get the positive comments and grow on those, or you can look at the negative comments and see what to avoid. There are other brand KPIs on Instagram, and we'll look at those at another time. Another social media platform where there's lots of data for branding is Facebook. Here you can see an example I pulled off the internet of HomeFirth. These indicators are found in the business page insights. You can see for HomeFirth that the number of likes of the page grew 2.3% in the past week. That's a good growth rate. And one of the great things about Facebook Insights is that you can set custom time periods to see how well your growth in likes has changed from month to month. Was there a particular month that you did better than others? So what was your ad strategy in those months that led to greater growth in likes? What was your marketing campaign in those months that had the best growth so you can repeat them? Post reach is another important KPI for measuring brand strength. Post reach means how often a post showed up on one of your followers' news feeds. So you can see for HomeFirth that their post in the past week showed up 60,000 plus times on news feeds of the people who liked their page. Even better than post reach is engagement. This is a measure of your likers actually interacting with your post. They put comments out on your post, they share your post, they like your post. By actively engaging with your post, you are attracting more potential customers and you can grow your brand this way. Another way to measure your brand strength is through Google Analytics. Google Analytics measures the visits to your web page. You can measure things like return visits, time spent on your web page, number of pages that they visited, and how they reached your web page. Organic search is a good indicator of brand strength. Organic search means that someone came to your web page by coming directly from a web search engine such as Bing or the Google search engine. I think the best way to measure brand strength is through surveys. You can ask customers or potential customers exactly what they think of your business. Do they like it or dislike it on a scale of 1 to 7? Or what do they suggest that they would like to be better satisfied with your business? These are great ways to find granular answers to growing your brand. So you can see measuring your brand identity through brand KPIs is very important and can be achieved by identifying, analyzing your brand KPIs. I hope you found the information in today's episode useful. If you have, please subscribe to this channel by using the subscribe button below if you haven't already subscribed. If you want more information from me about social media KPIs or surveys, be sure and reach out through the contact information below. Until then, have a good day.